people, this is Sanjana and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well in your workplace, in your life and every field that you're into. Well, once again I'm back with another video for all the DIY lovers because this video is about a card, but this time it is a love card. Yes guys, you can use it as an invitation card or an envelope or a greeting card to give to your loved ones, your spouse, your family members, close or relatives or anyone. You can also use it on Valentine's Day, Children's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day or any other special occasion you want to. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started.
Pastel sheets, some round in shape, scale, pencil, eraser, scissor, paper glue, marker and compass. So these are the things that we'll be needing in our DIY. Now we'll take a pastel sheet, a scale and a compass. We'll take a measurement of 8 cm with the compass and draw a circle. Then we'll draw some points on the edge of the circle with the same measurement, that is 8 cm. Now with those points 1 that we have marked on the circle, we'll mark some points more, namely points 2. Now we'll join points 2 with the point 1 make on the edges of this circle. Now then, we'll make some lines within the circle joining the points 1. When this structure is made, start cutting through the edges. After cutting, fold the lines that we have made so as to give it a shape. Now erase all the lines drawn. Now we'll take some pastel sheets of another color with the measurement of 7.5 cm square. We'll first fold it all by half and then we'll draw a heart in every piece that we have got. Once the hearts are drawn, then we'll cut it into all their shape and then we'll erase all unnecessary lines that are visible. Now, with the help of marker, we'll design the hearts as per our choice and needs, like I'm drawing the edges, and now we'll draw some small hearts in the mid of the heart that I made. Now we'll take back our previous craft paper, turn it around and start gluing it to triangular edges and start sticking the hearts around it uniformly, give it a shape. Once it's done, now we'll take the round shaped differently colored pastel sheets that we had and with the help of a marker we'll start decorating it and writing upon it any or message or invitations, whatever we want to. So there's a message that I'm writing here, like I have written, best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen nor touched but just be felt in the heart. And after, we just need to set all the messages that we have written in the card that I prepared and then close the flaps of the card, giving it a flower shape. Now here is another one that I've made and that is a red Valentine's Day theme. So guys, this was the card. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
So guys, this was the card I was talking about, and if you guys like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. And yes, if you guys want me to make something of your choice, don't forget to mention that on the comment section below, and yes, I'll try my level best to make it happen. So guys, keep enjoying, keep DIYing, love you all. Mwah.